Friends, you might have heard about various inventions that are the future of our generation. But today in this video, we will look at some mind-blowing, insane inventions in detail that will give you an excitement to try once. Dyson V15 Detect Vacuum Cleaner. We all have heard about a vacuum cleaner, which causes air pressure to remove dirt. But did you hear about the most powerful and intelligent vacuum cleaner? Dyson V15 Detect, along with being a cord-free, can even detect dust particles that are as small as 10 microns. It has a laser that detects the smallest particles which we may not be able to see with our naked eyes. This vacuum has stainless steel filter that could filter over 250 microns. The height of this vacuum cleaner is 1205 and it weighs only 2.74 kg. The bin volume of the Dyson V15 Detect vacuum is 0.77 liters and the price of this most powerful vacuum cleaner is nearly $758. Swellpro Spry drone. The world's only waterproof sports drone is none other than Swellpro Spry drone. Not only the drone, but even its remote controller is completely waterproof, which means it can dive within the water and still does its work accurately, and along with that it is also compact and portable. This drone also has a real 4K camera, which allows the drone to capture video in sharp 4K by 30 fps and capture 12MP photos above the water as well as beneath the water. It has one lithium polymer battery of 2800 mAh with 3 months limited warranty on the battery by Swellpro. The product weighs 6.85 pounds, therefore it is easy to fly and is highly agile. If you are on a moving boat and want the drone to get to you, then just by flipping a switch, it will automatically return to you even if you are moving. The maximum flying range of the Swellpro Spry drone is 800 meters with a maximum flying speed of 18 meters per second. The approximate price of this drone is $1,099. ATown Model Y. Prepared by the Japanese developer ATown, a powered hip exoskeleton, ATown Model Y for industry and work. It is structured to alleviate the burden on the waist while lifting heavy objects, which can be used by the sensors present in the exoskeleton that detects the movement of the waist. It has 2 sets of motors that are used for AWN-12 and can assist force of a maximum of 10 kilograms, though it weighs only 4.5 kg. The height of the person using this exoskeleton is expected to be 150 to 190 centimeters. ADcase. We all may have a thick phone case to protect our smartphone in case of a fall from a height. But did you hear about a phone case whose spider-like legs emerge the moment the smartphone starts falling? Yes, you have heard it right. A German student, Philipp Franzel, formed a springy phone case. It is designed in such a way that it is slim and that does not make your smartphone heavy. It gives the smartphone 360 degrees protection as in the case of a free fall. The spider-like legs pop out from all 4 corners, which creates a distance of about 30 millimeters between the ground and the smartphone. ADcase is also termed as a high-tech mobile airbag. Frederick Phua. City Glider, introduced by Frederick Phua, was prepared with a motto of footwear for the next generation. The inbuilt mechanical system reduces the 12% of walking efforts. It is expected to perform as a tool of secondary transportation. The concept of these shoes is being made keeping in mind the health of the people that are affected during the pandemic. It is formed to reduce traffic congestion, lifestyle diseases, accidents, and carbon emission. Along with all these benefits, it also increases the speed of walking by 21%. In near future, these conceptual shoes can be a great step towards efficient and sustainable mobility. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Comment below which of these inventions you like the most. and stay updated for more such videos. Thank you for watching till the end.